My name is Yudes Kayumba. I'm an architect and the managing director of Landmark Limited. On this project in particular, the investment is about $11 million US. This is a mixed-use project. It has commercial part and office part. The manufacture and build to recover program is very helpful for both manufacturing and the building industry. In the first place, I would like to appreciate the initiative from RDB in helping the entrepreneurs in the manufacturing and the construction industry in this program. I'm benefiting in terms of acquiring or procuring construction materials faster and without VAT. The remaining 70% of the project will benefit more when we get into the finishing materials that are imported.
Gahunda yo kunganira inganda n'urwego rw'ubwubatsi yashyizweho na guverinoma y'u Rwanda mu rwego rwo kuzahura ubukungu, hashyizwe imbaraga mu gufasha by'umwihariko inganda zisanzwe izitunganya ibikomoka ku buhinzi, imishinga y'ubwubatsi. Sura urubuga www.rwandarecovery.gov.rw kugira ngo usobanukirwe byimbitse, cyangwa uhamagare 14 15 uyu munsi.